guys? We are out here for our first official deer hunt for gun season here in West Virginia. And I've got Bray the Beast and May with me today. And I'll be honest, it's really crappy conditions. It's like super, super warm and it's really windy. But we're out here having fun anyway. We're gonna sit a while and see what we see. You never know. So we'll keep you posted. See you guys. What's up, guys? Okay, so the weather conditions have just not been great. But we're kind of in our last little set. The home stretch, so to speak. See what happens until dark. We'll see. I'm not expecting much, but hey, you never know. November is a magical time for whitetail, so you never know what can happen. So either way, I'm enjoying being out here with the boys. We're having a good time, so I'll keep you posted. And we got the old flintlock out. The Kentucky rifle that I've done the review on. I don't know if I'll get to make smoke with it today or not, but or at least having fun. I'll keep you posted. We'll check back in.